Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to sound. This is my voice. I haven't done a video with sound in quite some time, as I make sound. Not that I haven't filmed one in a while, it's just, I feel like, okay, with everything going on, it's so hard to be high energy and like engaging on camera, and I feel like I wasn't as engaging or high energy as I wanted to be on camera, so I just edited them and then I was like, this isn't me, basically. So I've been trying to, you know, get back into the swing of things, as you will, and today I'm feeling a little grateful, a little hopeful, and so I wanted to sit down and film my Boxycharm video because when I got this box a week ago, and I'll insert clips of me using the products because I don't have makeup on today really, I was just so excited. And I think that, you know, what this time period has taught me is just to be grateful for certain things that make you excited. You know, like I used to feel guilty about spending money on myself because I don't even know why. Like things make me happy and I felt weird giving that to myself, and I'm not going to do that anymore. So I'm hopefully, you know, going to be here encouraging you guys to, you know, just do things that make you happy while we have the time. Nothing is really guaranteed and everything is so tumultuous right now that if things make you happy, just do them. Just like I'm gonna do this Boxycharm unboxing. So if you guys don't know, it's my box. Boxycharm is a $25 beauty subscription service. I just saw an ad, so apparently I know that this is a fact. All boxes have over a $125 value, which is amazing because the box is only $25. It has 5 full-size products in it and it comes to your door every month. There are 2 upgrades to Boxycharm. There's Boxycharm Premium, which is I think 7 full-size products, and it's $35 a month, and that is every month in place of the base box. And then there is this thing called Boxy Luxe, which I also get, and that is quarterly, so that's every 3 months, seasonally, and it is $50, and there are 9 products, and I think the value is over $250, but usually my value is over $300 every time. So let's jump into this box. I did open, like I said, and used all these products, so let's keep that in mind that I took the packaging off of some of them, and I ruined some of the packaging too. So we're going to start with what excited me the most. It came in this box here. This is from Natasha Denona. I have never owned anything so luxe and expensive as this palette, and it just feels like, I know it's plastic, but it feels like luxury plastic. It opens so, there's like no, like, you know how sometimes you gotta like really work with the plastic to open it? This doesn't. The colors are really pretty. So what this palette is it's called the Peak palette. So all of these shades here are actually in Natasha Denona palettes separately, but she just puts them together in like her favorites bundle, or I think like in a fall bundle for Boxycharm exclusively. So this palette is only through Boxycharm, and I think 1 million subscribers received this product. I'm very, very happy I was one of those million. I'm 1 in a million, I guess. So this palette retails for $48, as all of Natasha Denona's little mini palettes like this cost. Wow. I was always like, because Natasha Denona, okay, I really was looking at the Trio Chrome palette and it's like $178. And I'm like, really? Okay, is it that expensive? It's over $100, I'm gonna say that. And I'm like, are the shadows that different? Like, I feel like I get great application from shadows from companies that are way cheaper than Natasha Denona, obviously. And then I used this palette, and I've never had such a rich, deep brown shade like this ever. And the shimmer, I watch Katie Jane Hughes. She does like get readies on Instagram, and she always has this beautiful like shimmery bit here, and like it's always just shadow, and she just puts it on, and you know, it's not wet or anything, and it just looks like it's like sweaty, like it looks beautiful and reflective. And I was like, how do you get that without wetting the shadow? Natasha Denona knows, apparently. These are all super incredible. I'm really in love with the formula. I'm in love with the color story. It's right up my alley. I used to be super, super, super into warm tones, and while I haven't been wearing makeup, I've kind of been gravitating more toward warm tones when I do put on makeup for like a video. So super pumped about this. I will read you now the literature now that I have stopped talking so much. It says a 5-pan palette featuring Natasha's essential everyday warm tone eye pigments that she mixes and matches from her favorite palettes, all reorganized and wrapped into one, composed of both creamy matte and metallic formulas from the cult classic Biba Safari Sunrise eyeshadow palettes. You'll find yourself reaching for this all season long. Boxycharm hit it out of the park with this one. And I don't know how long this code works for, but they gave us a 25% off code for Natasha Denona with the code NDXBOXY. It's valid through Christmas. So, you know, if you're looking at that expensive palette, the Triochrome like I am, I'm not going to buy it though. I've kind of decided that. Get 25% off, which that's quite a good percentage for Natasha Denona. So I was so excited about this and I cried a little bit. Okay, next in the box is from Dr. Brandt. I'm going to start by saying I don't really know how to use this product. It's a toner, and I don't really quite understand what toner does. I know that I've been using a hydrating toner, and I bought that because I have dry skin. Do I know quite though what it does? No. I know what order it goes in. So this is a spray toner. I'm going to start with that. This is the Dr. Brandt Antioxidant Spray Toner. This retails for $40. It says this toner is packed with antioxidant-rich blend of green tea and white tea to shield your skin from free radicals and environmental stressors. It's formulated with red rose wine and lotus flower extract to tone, soothe, and purify, leaving skin soft, hydrated, and revitalized. So I usually use like a facial mist every morning after my skincare routine. Or in my skincare routine just to like hydrate my face a bit more. And I'm assuming that I can use this here. So I'm going to, because I'm almost out of my face mist. Yeah, it says on evenly cleansed skin holding a bottle. For external use only. What is a toner? Someone, if they know, I'll Google it too. Like I should have Googled it a long time ago. Because I used the serum toner from Fenty, but sometimes I see people put it on cotton rounds, and this one's so thick that you kind of just like press it in, but sometimes people swipe toners. I gotta do some research. $40. The next thing in the box is from Milk Makeup, and I did customize this product. Milk Makeup. Milk Makeup is one of those brands that has always just intrigued me. But I don't like buying expensive makeup, meaning anything that's not in Ulta, because I also hate going to Sephora. I hate shopping online for makeup, really, and I hate going into Sephora because it's so much farther away from me than Ulta, which is where you find Milk Makeup, online and in Sephora. So when this was an option in the box, also it's a mascara, as I wave the tube, it's a mascara. This is the Milk Makeup Kush Waterproof Mascara. I had to pick it up because you know I have a love affair with mascaras. And that is continued in this one. Okay, this retails for $24. It's a good price point. It says, a waterproof intense black mascara with thickening, heart-shaped fibers and conditioning hemp-derived cannabis seed oil. So I put this on in the video that I did, that I'm going to insert clips from here. When I put this on, I was legitimately shocked because I hear so many like mixed reviews about the Kush mascara. And I was naturally cautious about it, but holy God, wow. I had actually posted on Instagram stories how insanely appreciative and shocked I was at the quality of this mascara. It just, something about the formula, because the brush isn't anything special. Something about the formula really just separates the lashes. It doesn't clump them together. I hate more than anything clumpy lashes. I like mine separated. I would rather have them be separated and lengthened than volumized. That's where my thing is. Every single lash was separated, lengthened, and I did have a really good amount of volume. And this mascara is definitely waterproof because I tried to take it off with my Fenty cleanser and I struggled to get this off, which I'm a little nervous about because I do love a waterproof mascara, but I do want it to come off with a makeup wipe or a cleanser. I don't want to have to be rough with my lashes because, you know, I love them. So I want to treat them well. So I'm going to continue to use this and I'm very excited for that. I'm finishing up my Bare Minerals Serum Mascara, which you know I'm infatuated with. So this one will be up next and I'm so excited to use this more often. I'm really loving every single product I got in the box. I really do love every single product I got in the box. Next up is from Half Cake. It's called the Game Changer Lip Fondant Trio. Now this is so cute because it comes in like a deck of cards and it says babe tested, vegan approved. So I guess it's vegan, which is really cool. I always get nervous about liquid lipsticks, especially matte liquid lipsticks, because I have dry everything. And matte liquid lipsticks, hit and miss. Really honestly hit and miss. I was impressed by the one I tried on. So it comes in these 3 shades, which they're, I think, pretty good variations. This one's like the more nude, this is more pinky, and this is redder. I think these are a great trio of lips to own and have in a collection. It was great that we got all 3 of them. This retails for $32. And there is Theme Song, Low Key, and Bordeaux. I was actually pretty impressed. I didn't keep this on for a super long amount of time. I think my one qualm with the lip is that it stayed a little bit sticky. And yes, of course, I moisturize my lips before I put on a lipstick, especially a matte liquid lipstick. So perhaps I should have taken that off and maybe it would have been less sticky. But it felt really good on the lips, minus the stickiness. It didn't feel super dry like the ColourPop matte liquid lips. They felt like cement on my lips. These didn't feel that. I felt like they could breathe. They're not as comfortable as the Persona matte liquid lipsticks, which are like the only liquid lipsticks I really use nowadays. And the Ofra ones. They're definitely not as comfortable as them, but they're really good. And I'm quite excited to test out these colors because during quarantine I haven't been wearing lipsticks and I decided to kind of like go through my collection and just get rid of the ones that are quite frankly expired. So I'm in need of some lipsticks and I'm really excited. I think it's just really cute. And it says, these lip fondant liquid lipsticks go on with a feather-light texture, which I agree with, and dry completely matte. For best wear, make sure lips are exfoliated and hydrated. Alright, so I guess they're supposed to be sticky because my lips were hydrated. Not exfoliated. I'm not an exfoliator lip person. I don't know about anybody else here. I'm too lazy for that. Alright, and the last product in the box is from Alemar Cosmetics, which I love with all my heart. I've never had a bad product from Alemar. I think the only thing that I really, really want from them that I haven't gotten yet is a lip liner and a lip gloss. I did get a lip gloss from Boxycharm, but it came damaged, and instead of giving me a new one, they just gave me charms that I haven't used yet. Anyway, this is the Pero Primero primer, so that means but first primer. It says a water-based primer designed to glue eyeshadows in place and maximize color and pearl dimension. It's water and wear resistant and enriched with shea butter to provide skin conditioning and moisturizing benefits. It also works as a glitter glue. Mix with your favorite concealer to customize a primer shade. So yeah, you definitely do have to customize this primer shade because for me, this is much too deep for me. This feels like a medium skin tone deal. I did not try mixing it with my concealer because I wanted to see how it worked on its own at first. And I don't typically use eyeshadow primers. I just use my concealer. So this was like a whole new world for me. It was weird because it does just stick. Things just stick to it and they just live there forever. So what I learned was I had to like pat down the eyeshadow and then blend it out. And even though it felt like I was tugging against something to blend it, the blend looked really, really good once I figured out how to use this. Definitely I feel like the pigment was helped by this, and I feel like the shimmer shades looked even more spectacular. Was that because it was Natasha Denona? Maybe. Or it's because of this primer. I'm really excited to continue to use this primer. I actually just bought on Boxy Pop-Up her whole Spanglish collection, so I will have an extra one of these primers to give to a friend or to put in a giveaway later on. So I don't know, I'm really excited. When I was looking at the variations of the box on Instagram, sorry, I keep throwing things back into the box because I'm a maniac. When I was looking at the variations of things and products to get in the box, this is pretty much the variation I wanted, and I'm so happy to get it. Mine is variation 26, by the way. And I don't know. I just get so excited. It's like I get a present every month that I don't know what I'm getting. And that's pretty exciting to me. I've found so many great things in Boxycharm over the year that it makes me happy. Okay, so before I leave you guys, the total value for this month's box was 159 doll hairs, which is incredible because, I mean, the minimum value is always 125, so that's 25 plus dollars more than that, which is amazing. And like I said, I loved this box. So I'm gonna try to be more active on here. I am working 2 jobs again. My energy gets real shallow real quick. I have to learn how to find a coffee substitute because I can't drink coffee to keep my energy up. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you want to. I'll leave my Instagram handle down below here. I'm more active on there than I am here. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.